Okay, so now um, we will move on explore the cuisine in Vietnam. Vietnamese cuisine is one of the most distinctive and celebrated food traditions in Asia, known for its freshness, balance, and variety. It reflects the country's geography, history, and culture. culture. From the bustling streets of Hanoi to the floating markets of the Mekong Delta, food is not only a necessity in Vietnam, but also a way of life. Um, character Characteristics of Vietnamese cuisine. The defining feature of Vietnamese cuisine is balance in taste, nutrition, and presentation. Dishes often combine five key flavors: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and Spicy. The cooking relies heavily on fresh herbs, vegetable, and rice-based products with minim- minimal use of oil and dairy. Another important aspect is the harmony of yin and yang in ingredients, which is believed to promote health. For example, a hot, spicy dish may be served with cooling herbs and fresh greens to create balance. Okay, so what about iconic dishes? Several dishes have become national symbols. Um, First, we will explore phở. Phở is a noodle soup with a clear aromatic broth uh, served with beef or chicken and fresh herbs. It originated in northern Vietnam but is now enjoyed nationwide. Bún chả, grilled pork served with rice noodles, fresh greens, and dipping sauce particularly popular in Hanoi. Okay, so what about bánh mì? How about bánh mì? A crispy baguette, baguette filled with a variety of ingredients such as pate, cold cuts, pickled vegetable, vegetables, and herbs. It reflects the blend of French and Vietnamese culinary influences. Okay, so okay, next one is gỏi cuốn or fresh spring rolls. Rice paper rolls of filled with shrimp, pork, herbs, and vermicelli served with a dipping sauce. Um, Regional diversity. Vietnamese cuisine varies significantly from north to south. Northern cuisine emphasizes delicate flavors and seasonal ingredients, avoiding excessive spice. Central cuisine, Central cuisine is known for its bold colors, spiciness, and smaller, um, refined portions. And final is Southern cuisine. Southern cuisine features sweeter flavor, tropical fruits, and more liberal use of coconut milk. Mm, Next one, I want to share I want to share the cultural significance. Vietnamese food is deeply connected to social life and traditions. Meals are often shared with multiple dishes placed in the center of the table for everyone to enjoy. Street food culture is a key part of daily life, offering afford- affordable and delicious options to people from all walks of life. Food is also tied to festivals and rituals. For example, bánh chưng or square sticky rice cake is an essential dish during Tết, the Vietnamese Lunar New Year, symbolizing the earth and family unity. In conclusion, Vietnamese cuisine is more than just nourishment. It is it is an expression of the country's history, culture, and values. With its harmonious flavors, relational regional diversity, and keep cultural roots, it continues to capture the hearts of people both in Vietnam and around the world.